Hello, today we're going to do a physics question, and it's related to projectile movement. So, a small object is fired horizontally at a speed of 300 meters per second from the top of a building. Air resistance is negligible. The object lands 900 meters from the base of the object. What is the height of the building? And we're given four options. Okay. So first, let's visualize this. We have a building and we have a small object and it's moving at 300 meters per second. And let's say it lands here, which means this distance is 900 meters. And it's fired horizontally, so it's going to be something like this. That's the movement. And we want this height. So yeah, that's all we're given. So the variables that we have are we have gravity, so we have acceleration, and we have the initial velocity, because right now we're only looking at the vertical component, which is 0 initially because it's at the start of the building and it's launched perfectly horizontally. So we have u, the initial velocity, and we also have time here, because if the horizontal component of velocity is 300 meters per second and it lands 900 meters away from it, intuitively thinking it would take 3 seconds. But also we can also figure this out using laws, because distance equals speed times time, and so time is distance over speed, which is 900 divided by 300, which is 3 seconds. So we also have time. And we want height. Okay, so now we can look at our formulas for kinematics. And we don't have final velocity, so we don't use this one. We don't have final velocity, or we don't want it, at least. We have all the other variables. The third one works because s is the height, or the distance. We have u and t and we have a, so we're going to use this one. S equals ut plus 1 over 2at squared. And now we can just plug everything in. So u is 0 because we're looking at the vertical component here. So 0 times something is 0. So this is canceled out. 1 over 2. And acceleration is 9.8. And I'm using downwards as positive. So this is why acceleration is positive here. Times 3 squared. And now we can put this in the calculator. And that is 44.1 meters. And this is 44 meters to two significant figures. And that is C. So that's our final answer. Thank you.